Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you, my dear students? Now today I have a few interesting facts about Bangalore and Udupi. So let's start with Udupi first, okay? Now this is a map of Karnataka. Now this is the coastal Karnataka, okay? In coastal Karnataka we have three districts. This is Uttar Kannada, Udupi district and Dakshin Kannada, okay? Uttar means north and Dakshin means south, alright? Now here in Uttar Kannada we have places like Karwar, Bhatkal, all these places come in Uttar Kannada. Then here in Udupi district we have places like Manipal, Malpe, Udupi, all these come here. And in Dakshin Kannada we have Mudbidri, Bangalore, all these places come here, okay? Here we have Arabian Sea. And here we have Western Ghat, okay. So now this Udupi, from where this name came Udupi? It's derived from the root word called Udupa, okay. It means moon, okay. So Udupi means moon. Now Udupi is also called Temple Town. Why is it called Temple Town? Because we have a very famous temple here. Its name is Sri Krishna Temple. It's called Krishna Matta as well, okay. Now this temple attracts a lot of pilgrims and tourists. People come to worship here and they come to see the place as well. They have a function once in every 2 years. It's called Paryaya, okay. And when they have this Paryaya, they have a lot of tourists coming in, okay. Then we have Jamia Masjid. Jamia Masjid is located in the city of Udupi, okay. In the heart of the city it is located and it is a big masjid, okay. It is the largest masjid in Udupi. Then we have Our Lady Fatima Church. Now this church is very near to our school, okay. We can see it from here, right. It is Our Lady Fatima Church. It is quite famous too, okay. Then what famous places we have here to visit in Udupi? We have Malpe Beach, right. Malpe Beach is very famous. It attracts a lot of people, like tourists. They come to see the beach, they enjoy there a lot, okay. We have camel rides, horse rides, parachute rides. People come take photographs, they enjoy a lot there, okay. And from Malpe we can also see St. Mary's Island, okay. There was this old Vasco da Gama. He was an old Portuguese explorer who explored this island and he named it St. Mary, okay. So it's called St. Mary's Island. Then we have this Kapu beach as well. It has a nice lighthouse. It was built in 1991, okay. So these two beaches are very famous. Then how about the education here? Manipal has a very good hold on education, okay. It is very famous. From worldwide it is famous. Manipal universities. We have KMC, Kasturba Medical College. We have MIT, okay. And we have many famous people who have passed from these institutions, okay. One of them is the Microsoft CEO, Satya Nadella, okay. And then we have a variety of food here, right. We have a very famous masala dosa, kori roti with chicken, fish curry, all those dishes are very famous in our Udupi, okay. Then we have languages. We have many languages spoken here. Official language is Tulu and Kannada. Other than that, we have people who speak Navaiti, Beri, Urdu, okay. Agriculture and fishing are the main occupation done here, okay. Now fishing, why? Because we are in the coastal region, right. We have Malpe port also. And then we have a famous personality, Raghupati Bhatt, okay. He is the MLA and he looks after the Udupi district. Okay students, now let's see how Bangalore looks like, okay. Now this is Karnataka, right. Now what is the capital of Karnataka? It is Bangalore. Capital of Karnataka is Bangalore and Chief Minister of Karnataka is okay. Now Bangalore is a very beautiful place. It has cool and mild climate, okay. And languages here, apart from Kannada, they speak English, Tulu, Tamil, Urdu, Hindi, so many languages. Now how come so many languages are spoken in Bangalore? Because many people from abroad and all over India have settled in Bangalore. Now what is special in Bangalore? Why they have settled in Bangalore? Because Bangalore is a high-tech city, okay? Like it has IT and software centers there, like Wipro, Infosys. So all these IT software centers have attracted many people from abroad and India. Now because of these IT and computer software centers, Bangalore is called Silicon Valley of India, okay? Bangalore is called Silicon Valley of India. Now, how was Bangalore founded? Bangalore was founded by a person called Kempe Gowda, okay? In 1537, Kempe Gowda was a chieftain in Vijayanagara kings, okay? He was working for Vijayanagara kings. Now, one day what happens was, he was going for hunting with his dog and a hare starts chasing his dog, okay? Usually it happens the other way around, right? The dog will chase a hare. So this surprised Kempe Gowda. He started thinking, if a hare of this city can be so brave, how will the men be? The men will surely be very brave and heroic. So he decided that he will build his city in Bangalore. So that's how he started. And he built this famous bull temple. Now bull temple has a Nandi, okay? Nandi means bull. A big statue of bull is built there, okay? It is very big and it is like, many people come to visit this temple to see the Nandi. Okay, then we have Kabban Park. Now Kabban Park has a beautiful museum, a public library and a toy train for children, okay? It's a very beautiful park. Then we have Lal Bagh. Now Lal Bagh was set up by Hyder Ali. Who is Hyder Ali? Hyder Ali is the ruler of Mysore. In 1776, he set up this Lal Bagh. Now what is special about Lal Bagh? Lal Bagh has rare plants and trees from all over the countries of the world, okay? You can get to see all the rare plants and trees in Lal Bagh. Then we have Bangalore Palace, Tippu's Fort, Summer Palace. Summer Palace is now a museum. Okay, so all these places are worth seeing in Bangalore, okay? You must visit them all. And now let's see how modern Bangalore looks like, okay? Now modern Bangalore has Vidhan Sauda. Now what is Vidhan Sauda? Vidhan Sauda is a place where legislature meets. All the MLAs have their meeting there, okay? It's a very special and beautiful building. Okay, then we have Krishna Temple. Krishna Temple is built by ISKCON. ISKCON means International Society for Krishna Consciousness. Then we have the St. Mary's Basilica. All these places are to visit, okay, in modern Bangalore, and it's very nice, beautiful places. Then we have the Indian Institute of Science. Now this Indian Institute of Science is a college and it is world famous, okay? It was built by Jamshedji Tata in 1908 and 9 and it's a very famous college throughout the world. Then we have the Hindustan Aeronautics, Hindustan Machine Tools, the Rail Wheel Factory, Indian Telephone Industries. All these things are set up in modern Bangalore, okay? And we have another airport built in Devanahalli. Why we have two airports in Bangalore? Because so many people are coming into Bangalore, right? So they have built one more airport in Devanahalli. We have metro, rail, all the facilities are there in Bangalore which connects throughout the world, which helps people to connect with Bangalore. Now then we have this Bannerghatta National Park. This is 21 kilometers away from Bangalore. It's a beautiful national park with all wild animals, okay? So inshallah do visit all these places in Bangalore and read your textbooks thoroughly. Jazakumullahu khairan.